Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Big Data Solution. Today I am discussing on CCA175 exam tips. In this video I will tell you, this is my agenda. In this video I will show the tips and techniques which is in exam you have to face, and you have to know about um, how to react and how to do and clear the exam of CCA175. So you should know the information like total number of question. The total number of question, it will be, it is basically question total 9 questions comes, and you have to solve the problem within 2 hours. There are no 9 questions, and all the 9 questions basically in Spark. Actually, I have uploaded so many videos in CC175. The people have commented in some information, so I thought that I should make video and make so that can help to all the people who want to give the exam. So the next thing, language. People are asking which language I have to select. So you can select Scala or Python, because both support uh, both support prompt. You can go on the Spark, because the questions are based on Spark. So with the help of PySpark, you can go to PySpark Cell or Scala. If you Spark that if you want to go the Spark prompt on the Scala, you can easily go on the prompt also Spark Shell. There's a command Spark the cell. You can go to Spark Scala prompt. If you want to go PySpark, then PySpark. If you give, then you can go on PySpark Cell. So you have to go the prompt. So any language you can choose, but data and the problem should be solved, like the problem reading the data from source and write the data on particular path. So you can use any language, but output should be correct on the location and data should be perfect. Whatever the output is required, the data should be perfect and at location and correct file format. Because they ask the question like read the data from Avro and write it in Packet. So you have to write the program either in Python or Scala, but data should be perfectly right on that particular location. The third point is from where to read the questions. Yeah, basically what it happened when I give the exam that time, they the screen is very small, like when you set up in any Linux any window machine, when you install VMware or VM VirtualBox, then you can see the inside your laptop, it is showing very small window, and console it shows very small. So such way the it shows when you give the exam of CC175, then the Cloudera team they provide very small window, so it is very hectic to read the. If you open the browser is very small. So seeing the question, watching the question, what is available on the browser, Firefox browser, it is very small. So you have to, with the help of Control plus plus, you can increase the size, and then you can read the question. Otherwise, you can just copy the one question and paste in the notepad and see. Uh, with the help of Control tab, you can easily go there and in the notepad and read the question easily. So you can use any technique. Either you can read on the browser, or you can copy the question in the notepad and see, because you have to fastly solve the problem. And make sure, please use yeah, where to write the program for question. The question solution you have to write on the Linux console. You have to write the program in Linux console, and there you have to use the help of the Spark shell. You have to go to the Spark shell prompt and then write the program. So if you write the program on Spark shell, that will be more faster. If you go to the notebook, any notepad, and write the program, and then through the Spark submit command, if you execute it, take more time to execution. So try to use cell prompt, either with PySpark or cell. This is a way to clear the exam. Now the other point, the very important point, the challenges faced while giving the exam. Yeah, the first challenge is internet speed. Your internet speed should be good, because I also face the problem. Sometimes your internet internet can is not working meanwhile the exam, that time the basically it will be hampered, and it is you will be session out, and if you go again then it will take time, and the calculation of time is they count the time, the timer will start, and you have to, they will not give extra time. So that is the problem. If the internet is lost and then reconnect, these things, extra 5 minutes 10 minutes it take time, that will make a burden for you for complete the all 9 questions, because the question while writing the program and execute the program, it takes some time, because they provide some data, they provide some huge data, so that while processing it take more time. So you have to make sure the internet speed should be good. And the other point is console. Yeah, you have to use the console, I already told. And sometime happen the caps lock on of that, the cloud writing, what basically they do, they make caps lock on of the Linux machine. So if you write the program that is all in caps lock on, so these are the problem happen. So you have to tell to admin team, just there is a one in the browser. If you give the exam that time, there is one admin person, they check the, they are just guide, like they check your table, your room, what anything behind, what is there on on the table, what is any papers, it should not, it should be clear, there should no any papers. Apart from that, your desktop should be clear, your um, your desktop should be clear. They check with the help of web camera. Remaining point, yeah, prerequisite before the exam, make sure the internet speed should be good, your table, uh, your table should be clean, there nothing should be, only charger and your mouse. And the cloud person, they verify the room with the help of camera. You have to move camera here and there inside the room, and they check and they confirm. Yeah, you have to use your Aadhaar card also. They ask for Aadhaar card. You have to see, you have to show to before the camera. Then they'll capture the information. After then, your desktop should be clear. Your browser also should be clear. Yeah, these are the basic information for giving the exam. And all the best. Thank you.